Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Griselle, and today we're gonna be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. This is our main Boxycharm, and we're gonna be trying the products as we go. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Woo! Okay guys, so let's get started with today's Boxycharm unboxing. I have my box here, and before we get started guys, I just want to tell you something. Like, you guys are gonna see me most of the time with my hair down, because there's nothing I hate more than doing my hair, guys. I hate doing my hair. I don't know, I just find it pointless, you know. And I think it looks cute down, but yeah, I feel like I need to do, sometimes I do something, but it's like a bun or like two buns, but besides that, my hair is gonna be down most of the time guys, so bear with me and please don't judge me, because that's a problem I have. I hate my hair. I hate doing my hair. So yeah guys, so let's get started with today's Boxycharm unboxing. The first thing we see in here as we open it is a card, and it says Boxy Bash, as you can see, and in the back it has all the products, and it has two coupons, as I don't know if you guys can see. One is for Cover FX, 20% off, use code BOXY, and the other one's for Peer, and it's 15% off using the code BOXYMAIN. So let's get started with today's video. The first thing I see here guys, it's like the biggest thing in here. It's the Cover FX blurring primer, and it looks like this. I don't know if focus. Oh yeah, there you go. And this primer, it's a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Whoa, we're gonna see about that. And this primer retails for $38 guys. This primer is so freaking expensive. It's more than the box itself. So I don't know about you guys, but I would be thinking this box, I tell you guys this every month, but this box is so worth it guys. Even for one product, it's so worth it. So okay, so we're gonna be starting by using this primer, see how we like it. So we're gonna grab a pea-sized amount of this. Oh my god, it has color. Look guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a peachy color. I don't know if that's gonna like give you some color to your face. And it smells, I mean, I don't think it has smell actually. No, it smells like silicone. Oh my god, I just put some on my nose. But yeah, it smells like silicone. Well, let's try this in our face and see how we like it. Okay guys, so first impressions, this primer is really silicone, you know, but I feel like it's really nice on your face. It feels really nice on your face guys. Okay, yeah guys, this primer made my pores look smaller. Well, not smaller, but you can clearly tell that they're filled in, you know, like damn, my face looks really soft. I like it guys. I think it's a really cool product, and I really like it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back to test the rest of the products. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just did my foundation, concealer, powder, eyebrows, and eyeshadow. And now we're gonna move on to the rest of the products in this box. The next thing I see in here is this like pot, It's from Pretty Vulgar, and it looks like this. It's really cute, guys, and it's heavy. It's heavy. It's really pretty. And this is a Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. It says it's this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It's creamy and water resistant. Formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Wow, guys, this product says really promising things, but I guess we'll have to try it out and see how we like it. This retailed for $24. And the next thing I see in here, which we're actually gonna use with the eyeliner, is this 3-piece eye trio from Aesthetica. And this 3-eye trio retails for $45. And it says it comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. It says you can go from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use a brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. Wow. Well, I already did my eyebrows, so we're still gonna use this spoolie. But the other two products, I guess we're gonna use to do our eyeliner today. And yeah, so let's open this baby up. Okay, guys, and this is how the eye brushes look like. And as you can see, it has like this really thick, I guess it's for eyeliner. I don't know how this is for eyeliner. It's really thick. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a really thick bottom. But then there's a spoolie, and there's this fine one for eyeliner. We're actually gonna use this brush for one eye and this one for the other, and see which one we like more. And this one we're just gonna do for our eyebrows to spoolie them at the end. Okay, so we're gonna open this baby up. Oh, it's interesting. It's not like all the way up. The product's not, it's like halfway. So we'll have to see how we like it. Okay, so the first brush we're gonna grab is this one. And see if we can apply eyeliner with this. Because oh my god, it's gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap into this. And then hopefully that's enough. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Okay, guys, so let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see me better. So we're gonna attempt to do our wing eyeliner with this. Oh, okay, yeah, the light's definitely thick, you know. So I guess we're going for a thick eyeliner today. Okay, guys, so that's one wing done. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I struggled so much with this brush because it's so thick. And yeah, as you can see, my eyeliner today is really thick. I struggled so much. So we're gonna try the other one and see how we like this one. It's actually smaller, so I think I'm gonna prefer this one over the other one. Okay, guys, and this is how the other one looks like. As you can see, it's really it's smaller than the other one, but not really that small. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay, there you go. We're gonna grab some of this. And the eyeliner, guys, it's really creamy. Like, it glides on like nothing. And I don't know if this one's dry. Let me touch it. Okay, so it's still a little tacky, but we'll see if it dries down. So let's go in with the other line. Okay, guys, so yes, I do prefer this one over the other one. I don't have it, but I love this wing. This one, it's a little thicker, so what I'm gonna do is actually do do this one a little thicker, just so they can look the same. Okay guys, so that's the eyeliner done. I really like this, guys, and to be honest, I'd rather get this brush over the other one. Now the last brush we're gonna use is this spoolie, and we're just gonna use it for our brows today. And this spoolie, to be honest guys, it's like any other spoolie, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna see a difference between this one and another spoolie. Okay guys, so the next thing I see in here, it's this brush, and it's from Aesthetic as well. It's a P12 face brush. It's synthetic. It's a synthetic brush that allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look, and this brush retails for $27. Let's open it up and see. But even though it's synthetic, it's so freaking soft. I don't know if you guys can feel. Well, you guys can feel it. Of course you guys can feel it. But this is so freaking soft, guys. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. And we're actually gonna be using this with one of the other products that comes in this box, and it's a pure sculptor palette. Let's take it out. Ooh, so it comes. So it looks like this. It's all white, I think. Oh no, you have to take it out. Okay. It's really simple, guys, but I don't know, for some reason I really like the packaging. So this is what it looks like. So pretty, so simple. Okay, so it has stickers. Be careful with that. Okay guys, so this palette, it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. And this palette retails for $30, guys. So let's open it up and see. Oh my god, yeah, it's pretty. And it comes with a mirror, and it says you're the sculptor of your own destiny. Oh, that's so freaking cute. So this, oh my god, and it smells like chocolate, guys. Oh my god, the smell. Oh, the smell is everything. It smells like chocolate. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so freaking good. Okay, so we're just gonna use this to bronze and contour our face. So we're actually gonna, which shade should I use? Should I use this one or that one? I'm gonna grab the color Inventor, which is this lighter shade, and if it's too light for our skin tone, then we're gonna go with the darker one. So we're just gonna use that brush, and we're gonna sculpt. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect for this. And this color, guys, is really pretty. It's like perfect. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put some blush on. Now we're gonna move on to the highlighters that come in this palette. And today we're gonna be using the color Trailblazer. And I'm using my crown brush. It's this small fluffy brush. Okay. Oh my god, guys, that's really pretty. It's a little glittery, I'm gonna tell you that. It's really glittery, but it looks so freaking nice. Oh my god, yes, give me highlight. Oh guys, no, that's so pretty. Oh my god, yes guys, yes, yes. We're gonna use the same brush to put some on our nose, because why not? And let's put our nose. Oh, can you guys see that? It's so freaking blinding. It's so freaking pretty too. And then I'm actually gonna grab the color Originator just to put like on the highest points over highlight. Like right there. Does it make a difference? No, because this blinding, this highlight alone, it was really blinding. So Okay guys, and the last product we have in here, it's this matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. Okay guys, so it says it's a matte liquid lip gloss. It's a lip gloss formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. And this liquid lip gloss retailed for $10. So my question is it a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss? Is it gonna be shiny or is it gonna dry matte? It says it's gonna dry matte, so we're gonna see. And it comes in the color Kiss Me, and it looks like this. I didn't show you guys the packaging. And it looks like this. It says it's a long wear matte lip gloss, so hopefully it dries down, so we're gonna use this to put all over our lips. Oh, the color is really pretty, guys. I love these colors. Okay guys, so this lip gloss actually dries really matte, guys, and it dries like instantly, like it's already dry. And I love the color, guys. Isn't this color so freaking pretty? Oh, but you can feel like your lips feel weird, like I don't know if you guys can tell, but like they stay sticky, you know, like it's dry but they're sticky. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. Like, let me show you guys. Like when you put your lips together, like they stick together. You know? So we'll have to see if it's a comfortable formula. But yeah, besides that, my lips look really pretty. Don't they look pretty? I like the color. They look very pretty. I like the color. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is like a really big thumbs up. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye. Love you. And this is my resting bitch face. I'm just humping the thing. Aproveche la oportunidad que se le viene.